Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this snail. So you can see this is its shell, and this is its head and its sort of tail. So to begin, you are going to begin right side up and fold in half diagonally. Alright, and then you're going to do the same on this side. And then you're going to take this point and bring it to the middle of that there. And then you're going to turn it around and do the same thing. And then you're going to fold it in half like that. And you are going to take this edge and sort of divide it so it's sort of maybe like a fourth. And then you're going to fold that down. Okay, so now once you have that, you're going to open this and then flatten it out to make a square. Alright, so now once you have this, you're going to fold this up like that. Alright, and then once you folded both of them up, it should look something like this. And then you're going to turn it around and flatten this out and make a square. Alright, so now, once you have this, you're going to fold this up like we did with the other one, and then fold this up like this. Alright, so now you're going to turn it over like this and fold this down and then fold this back up. And now you're going to take this edge and fold it like that. And now you're going to fold this up on this line here, and same thing there. So now you got this part of the snail done. And then on the other side, it's going to be like that. And then you just crease everything down, and then it's like that. Now, if you want it to have the tail shorter, you can fold it down on this crease here, and then fold it back up. So it's like that. And then you can also make the shell 3D. To do that, you just kind of push the top of the shell down, and then this 3D. So If you like this video, you can subscribe and leave a like. Thanks for watching.